Hello, and welcome to our English podcast for beginners. This is the A1 level, the first step in learning English. Don't worry, we will speak slowly and use easy words. Today, let's learn a few simple greetings. In English, we say, hello, hi, good morning, good evening. Let's try a short conversation. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Good job. Thank you for listening to our first A1 podcast. See you in the next episode where we will learn more simple English sentences. Bye-bye.